If you're thinking about buying glasses from Black Sheep Glasses, here's a quick review to help you decide if they're actually worth your money. Black Sheep Glasses has built a reputation for offering stylish frames at affordable prices. They have a wide range of designs, from classic everyday looks to more modern and bold styles, making it easy to find something that matches your personality. One thing customers often appreciate is the quality of the frames for the price. The glasses generally feel sturdy, and prescription lenses are available with different customization options. Ordering online is also straightforward, and the website makes it simple to browse and select your frames. That said, shipping times and customer service experiences can vary depending on your location. Like most online eyewear retailers, it's a good idea to double-check your prescription and review the return policy before placing an order. So, is Black Sheep Glasses worth it in 2026? If you're looking for fashionable, budget-friendly eyewear without spending a fortune, it's definitely a brand worth considering. Just be sure to compare prices and read recent customer reviews before making your final decision.